Never ever hold a never mind. Oh,
people, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all to Solstair. Thank you so much, my new joiners. I love you to bits. My new joiners, thank you so much. Old joiners, love you to eternity. Thank you for supporting your tiny community growing. Yes, and it gives me amazing peace and happiness when I see the subscriber count grow. We are very close to 200 subscribers, and there's an amazing thing that I'm going to do at the feature. So please like and subscribe अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है that you hear what you see on the channel, because I don't offer manipulative readings, I don't offer sugar coated readings, और मैं बहुत टेप करके आपको टाइटल्स अट्रैक्ट करें वैसी रीडिंग्स नहीं डालती. I try and put the readings wherein I wish to really contribute to the spiritual community in a very positive way, and I'm sure everybody who is doing this really wants to do that, but I just want to keep it very real. Okay, कहते हैं ना, फेसबुक पर रहना इतना ज़रूरी नहीं है जितना ऑन ग्राउंड लोगों को फेस टू फेस हैंडल करना है. सो आई वर्क इन दैट ओरिएंटेशन. आई हैव बीन हेल्पिंग पीपल इन द कोविड टाइम्स, एंड आई होप आप लोग भी वो कर रहे हैं. एवरीबडी इज़ डूइंग इट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी टफ टाइम, राइट? सो मेरी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. काइंडली हैव अ लुक. ओके, एंड हम #BDW करें आपकी बाय द वे रीडिंग. Okay, which is like a message for you, wherein I pull out the angel messages. Okay, those who are new उनको बता रही हूँ. So angel messages होते हैं, आपकी गाइडेंस होती है, आपके स्पिरिट गाइड्स हो सकते हैं, आपकी हाई सेल्फ हो सकती है, जिस भी डीटी में मानते हैं, काना, शिव, whoever you believe in, नानक, angels, father, जिनमें भी जिस भी धर्म से, रिलीजन से आप हैं, you can attribute that. Okay, and Krishna conscious has been really playing with me. So already today in the meditation it was out. So we have the spirit around us about Krishna conscious. It's about being tested right now. Your commitment is being tested in the COVID times. हम सबकी commitment is being tested, and Krishna is saying the same thing, that stay intact. It can be about your relationship understanding also. It can be about your professional dynamic also. It can be about home, family, children, whoever. Could be boyfriend, girlfriend, could be bae, could be somebody you're dating, you're in the committed relationship, husband, wife, whoever, right? So take it the way it's coming. If there's something in the title that attracts you, obviously there's something in the reading for you, because tarot can be a prediction also, right? So let's see what are the angels and guides trying to communicate today. So we have Archangel Jophiel with us, okay, and we have Archangel Ariel with Krishna. So Archangel Jophiel is about, again, spreading love, joy, peace, happiness, right? Ariel is about confidence. It's about persistence. It's about joy कि आप जो कर रहे हैं, जिस चीज़ में आप बिलीव करते हैं, constantly, persistently, वो प्लीज़ करते जाइए, because that is how it's going to help you. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to read this to you in detail. Let me pull out a spirit animal totem. February is my spirit animal totem. जो मेरे साथ हैं अभी, Michael. Show me the message I need to see for my soul tribe. Those who are watching, those who are resonating, and guys, I love you. Keep that in mind, okay? I just love you. राधा नित मुरली में सिमरे देखो बारंबार. वो कृष्णा का नाम लेती हैं, राइट? इसलिए नहीं कि कृष्णा हर वक्त उनको अपने साथ चाहिए, बट only because she believes in him. She's got the faith in him. So I think the reading is about fear is the virus, faith is the medicine. So have that faith. Let's see what is your spirit animal totem. Maybe you're getting signs. Some people are getting signs. आप लोगों को मिल रहे हैं, but it's just that you're not like watching it currently. आप देख नहीं रहे हैं. So let's see. At the bottom of the deck I had the monkey, which is about trusting, doing things confidently, working on the sacral chakra as well. Could be something for some. Let's see what is the spirit animal message that today as tribe we need to see collectively. जिनके साथ मैं tapping कर रही हूँ, the guys, people that I'm tapping into. Maybe some of you are like somebody is wearing a very beautiful sari. Very beautiful sari someone is wearing. I see someone dressing up like short outfit as well. Can I make this up? Honeybee. It's about divine feminine. You being called to rise with Krishna here, and honeybee, it's abundance. It's abundance in all forms. It's about raising your vibrations. As I said, somebody is wearing pink today. Maybe if this resonates, obviously this reading definitely is for you. Somebody is gardening. I feel somebody is they've got beautiful roses around, whatever color, you know. They must have seen like a honeybee today in the morning, or wherever you're in the part of the world, you know. See if there's a honeybee around you, so there's a message that's coming to you in some form or the other. Maybe from nowhere, you know, you might be presented with a rose of any color, not just pink, could be of any color. So obviously it's about time to shine, rise and shine. It's not to give up. I think some people are, that is what they're saying, that, you know, there's a bigger picture that we all need to see as tribes, so that we can understand the value of what this is really about. Okay, so let me now just pull out your tarot, and then I'm going to read your messages. Okay, what is the tarot also advising with these? So Archangel Jophiel here is saying, my soul tribe, that be calm, be at peace, you know. Oneness with all is very important. आपको वो रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Have goodwill, have benevolence, have passion, you know. See whatever is not working out for you right now, take it as God's you know, direction, new direction. Don't see it as his rejection, because it's not his rejection, honestly speaking. That's what, you know, Krishna is currently suggesting, that it's not a rejection, it's something that I'm directing you to, you know, different side. You can take a screenshot, because this is going to be very effective for some. Okay, you can watch it as well. So they're saying, trust yourself, trust that whoever is around you, for whatever reason, good, bad, not so good, that you feel, you know, have the courage and the confidence to move forward towards that. Don't get worried, don't get petrified, don't hold yourself. Archangel Ariel is saying, be persistent, don't give up. I think some people here today are saying, you know what, बहुत हो गया, because COVID we all are saying that, कि बहुत हो गया है, you know, can't take it anymore. It's frustrating because people are losing their mental balance, right? Because I handle those sessions, I do offer, because I'm running a trust. So when I take those sessions and I talk to those people online, I hear their side of the story. Dil dukhta hai, honestly, because people are getting under depression, people are not able to handle it. But Archangel Ariel, our spirit guides, are advising that, you know, it's just that testing time, yeah. Stay intact, stay in place, and don't worry. Be persistent, because if you have the courage, you know, you can just face it. You can just face it. They've asked me to stop. Michael, show me the messages I need to see. My soul tribe, look very sure the messages. Kanaji. What are the messages? What is the tarot advising for the upcoming hours, supporting hours? What is the guidance? Hashtag BEW for the soul tribe. Bible reading. Soul tribe reading. Someone really wants to talk to somebody, but someone is not talking. Why? You know, see, Four of Cups. Don't feel saddened. Don't feel saddened, please. That's what they're advising. Krishna is advising. Ariel is saying the same thing. Be very alert around your spirit guides. You know, Divine Feminine, I think it's the energies are for you right now, that please don't give up. It is a tough time, I know, for a lot of women, because they have to do a lot of stuff. Let's be very honest, right? They have to balance everything. You have to support. Just align yourself. Ho jayega. You know, don't worry. That's what they're telling you, that it's a very tough time in regard to relationships also, because there's distance that we see. Someone is like really far. It's like between worlds. You feel that you're divided right now. You don't even understand what to do, how to do it. And someone wants to say yes, but is not able to say yes. 10 of Swords. There's a lot of burden. There's a lot of burden which is around right now. Lot of burden. Like something is closing. You might have a lot of crows around you. You might have a lot of ravens around you. They might be communicating whichever part of the world you're in. Please keep that in mind. Okay, be very alert. They are trying to communicate. You see, spirit guides or animal totems or birds, when they come around from nowhere now, trust me, they come because they're trying to tell you something. नहीं तो हेवनली रन से आपको कैसे मैसेजेस मिलेंगे. और जो लोग ये रीडिंग्स देखते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर लिटिल ट्यून्ड, उनको ये पता होता है कि उनके लिए वो मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं. क्यों आ रहे हैं, किस लिए आ रहे हैं, ये तो दे वुड नो. क्लोजर हो सकता है, कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहा है, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आप चाह रहे हैं कि मैं I should call it off, or what should I do? You're still thinking, but they're saying with the Ace of Wands there is hope. That's exactly what Ariel is saying, that you don't have to give up. Please don't give up. Please please don't give up. That's what the advice Jophiel is giving you. Krishna is about the same, that you're just being tested here. Don't feel let down. You're just being tested because there is a passionate, fiery beginning. So it's not really closing off. Honestly, that I see, it's burdening. That's what I see. It's something that didn't work out for you in the past. कुछ आपके साथ वर्कआउट नहीं किया जिसकी वजह से आप बहुत confused हैं. But they're saying be the fool, bottom of the deck. And let spirit handle. Surrender all your worries to the spirit. That is the advice they're giving you today with the honeybee here. It's time to rise up. It's time to rise up. See? Okay? She is literally on the cliff. So it's about rising up. It's about trusting yourself. It's about, again, look at the color synchronicity. It's about trusting yourself. It's about saying, you know what, I know I'm protected, because with Krishna here, it's of course divine feminine, guys. It's divine feminine. It's time for you to rise. It's time for you to stand up and say, you know what, कहते हैं ना, कौन कहते हैं भगवान होते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं. That's the whole idea. कि we give up. That's the whole collective message, guys. Don't give up. Your faith is being tested right now, whether it's in the COVID times, whether it's in regard to a relationship, career, whatever you may say. Your faith is just being tested. So stay in place, stay intact, and don't worry about a thing, because the spirit says, they have your back. So let me just read this out to you, that what is the honeybee about really. As I said, what I really sense, I have already shared it with you, that it's about honoring yourself, honoring your instinct, and knowing what is right for you, right? And it's abundance. Any day, hands down, it's abundance. According to me, it is sheer abundance. So with this, what I really see is that you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, of course I see. But major energies that are playing here are air and earth. Okay. So with air and earth, with the honeybee here, it says, when I first asked the honeybee to come and sit with me, she sat on a beautiful pink rose. It is a symbol of divine feminine, as I said. It's about beauty. Some women who are watching the channel are very beautiful, or energies that are feminine are very beautiful. Not just beautiful from the face, अंदर से भी बहुत खूबसूरत हैं जो लोग ये reading देख रहे हैं. So they're saying to honor that beauty, honor yourself, honor thyself. Okay, don't judge people. The rose works with the honeybee to activate the heart gently. Exactly. So compassion is, Jophiel is saying, Ariel is saying that, have that compassion, have that love for people, so that you can understand what is going around you on the earthly plane. That should make sense. COVID में जो सब चल रहा है, it's been written in the Vedic astrologies way back. Okay, I dabble in Vedic, invest in both. So having said that, it had to happen, because when humans try to outgrow or outbeat nature per se, or plays with the law of attraction or with the cosmic light, it has to come around in a certain way. So that's why Krishna is saying that your commitment is being tested right now. Stay intact, stay put, don't worry, because truth of the matter is that the honeybee has a habit of going flower to suck all of that. It's not that it's trying to kill it or it's trying to harm it, but it's it's like passing on certain messages also from one rose to another, to other. So, and also it leaves that light because it's guided. Okay, the honeybee and relatives hold subtle vibrations by creating channel of energy to move through them, and they work with the rose for the heart space. So heart chakra, guys, if it's blocked in the relationship, as I said, some people are feeling big void. Could be distance, could be burden, could be not fair good relationship. So you're thinking what to do, मैं करूँ क्या, should I give in, should I stay, should I let go? But they're saying there's a beautiful new start awaiting. Trust yourself, take that leap of faith, don't worry, and trust the person you're thinking about right now, trust the relationship you're thinking about right now, trust the situation that you're thinking about right now. And they're saying if this card is pulled out, You don't have to look anywhere else, you just have to look within. Krishna says the same thing. You're loved unconditionally. You just have to go within your heart and see what it's telling you. Okay, you can use rose quartz, you can use ruby stones for some. Okay, but do ask and check first. And it's also about the multitude of higher vibrations. Some people are maybe, called on to lift their vibrations. Strength is being given to you more. They're saying to spend more time in the sunlight and a lot of other things. So it's a superb reading, considering that your faith is being tested. Okay, in every dynamic, could be a relationship, could be anything, but whatever it is, guys, it is a beautiful new beginning which is just coming around. Okay, you don't have to feel hurt, saddened, because honeybees here, abundance is here, time to rise. Some people are actually working with roses somewhere, and they have beautiful roses around them. As I said, I see beautiful pinks people wearing, or maybe the colors of pink, peach, orangey kind of vibe that I see. And embrace it all, guys. Just take it in your stride with the positive attitude. So with this, I am done. Okay, so if the reading resonates, give us a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. I love you guys from the moon to the back until eternity. Alrighty, see you for now. Bye.